What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete a blank page in Microsoft Word that seems impossible to remove. To begin, click anywhere on the blank page you want to delete. This is to make sure that your next actions specifically target this page. Now, to bring up the navigation box where you can enter specific commands, press Ctrl and G on Windows or Option Command and G on Mac. This shortcut opens the Go To function in Word. Once the Go To window is open, ensure that Page is selected as the type of thing you want to search for. In the Enter Page Number box, type \page. This command tells Windows to go for the specific page you're currently on. Press Enter to execute the command, and then click Close to exit the Go To window. At this point, you should have successfully selected the troublesome blank page. Try pressing the Delete key first to remove the page. If Delete doesn't work, try the Backspace key as an alternative. Either of these should effectively remove the blank page from your document. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can get rid of any stubborn blank pages in your Microsoft Word documents, making your document look cleaner and more professional. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.